You know, I had been bad at piano for so long, I just figured that it wasn't in my DNA. Yeah, I signed up for some college music classes, but that didn't really improve my piano playing, so I quit. And then, one day as I was leaving class, it happened. I decided to take a shortcut through the auditorium to get to the parking lot. This one event changed my entire life. It was there, on that auditorium stage, where I met a guy who showed me the secrets to playing the piano like a pro. And I know how dramatic that sounds. But the things that I learned that day helped me to understand how music works. It was like I had found a magical bottle with a genie inside, who finally granted me that one thing I had been searching for my entire life. Of course, I should have learned these secrets during my piano lessons, but I didn't. And I thought I would have learned some new amazing playing techniques when I signed up for college music classes, but that never happened either. It was this unforeseen detour that ultimately led me to the playing skills I had been pursuing for 15 years. And everything this guy showed me that day just made perfect sense. And here's the real kicker. This guy wasn't even a piano player. He never had a single piano lesson in his entire life. He was primarily a guitar player who just happened to be fiddling around on the piano one day, killing time in between classes, and I just happened to walk by at the right time. My friends definitely noticed a difference in my playing. It was like I was transformed from a really bad piano player to a musical genius in a matter of about 3 or 4 months. The change was miraculous, to say the least. So what did I learn that day? Well, I learned that every song ever written is made up of 3 main elements, and until that day, I never looked at music from this angle before. That just wasn't how I was taught. In fact, most piano students are not taught these 3 elements. I was taught how to read sheet music and everything that goes along with that, which, by the way, takes years to learn. However, in just 45 minutes, this guy showed me a handful of playing techniques that are so simple a 5-year-old could learn them. And to be honest, I was a little angry at my piano teacher for never teaching me this stuff. Knowing these techniques would have made piano lessons a whole lot more enjoyable. Listen, before that amazing day, it took me weeks, and sometimes even months, to learn a new song. But here's the thing. After that day, I could learn a new song in about 15 to 20 minutes. I was learning 3 or 4 songs a day. Of course, it took me a few months to really grasp what I learned that day. But what I'm telling you is the truth. I know you might be thinking about quitting, but my advice is, don't. Don't quit piano, because it will get better. You just have to find the right piano method for you. It took me 15 years, but I finally learned the secrets of playing the piano, and so will you. So please, don't quit just yet. I'll continue my story from piano rags to piano riches in the next video. My name is Andrew, and have a great day.